Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am Amazing Angela, and in this training, I will be showing you how you can multiply a few leads in LeadsLeap into thousands and how you can actually send them a message. So LeadsLeap has a 10-level network builder, so you can actually send messages from within the platform to not only your leads and your referrals. You can actually do this 10 levels deep, so it's very, very powerful. And this is not a safe list. You're not actually sending them emails. They are you're writing messages, and then when they log into the back office, they can actually see your messages. All right, so it's a great way for you to leverage your network. So to do that, you log into your back office here on LeadsLeap, and then you go down to the view followers. So here you can have an idea of the way this works. This week I've had one direct referral, and I've had 101 referrals in LeadsLeap, which is great. Otherwise, even though I've referred 101, I actually have 323 people in my network. So when I write this message right here, message followers, this is where you need to go, right? So you come in here, it's only one message, and you can see how many visits I've had to my message and how many followers I have. So that includes my referrals and my network as well. So all those people, 424, get to see this message when they log into the back office. So when I click here, you can come in here and write your message, and that's it. You set and forget. So if I go to the dashboard here and show you these messages where you might see my name, like this one here, it just means that I am on their followers. I'm on the downline, so to speak, right? So when I log into my back office, I can see messages that other people have written, and in turn I can write my message and the people in my network can see my message. Extremely powerful way for you to set and forget a message and to end up getting targeted traffic to whatever offer that you choose. As you can see, if we go again here, if I go to the actual message, you can see that people are actually clicking on that, right? So 198 visits, 424. So it's a very powerful way to drive targeted traffic to your offer. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. I've been Amazing Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day. Then go ahead and take action and actually go create your message in LeadsLeap.